Welcome to SRM College of Agricultural Sciences, accredited by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, New Delhi. Green campus spread over 400 acres. Learner-centered teaching, audio-visual laboratory for an effective teaching-learning process. Global-level agro-industrial tie-ups for encouraging entrepreneurship. Earn while you learn program, special coaching classes, all India study tour and exposure visits. Semester abroad program with Cranfield University, UK and Kansas State University, USA. Offering B.Sc Honours Agriculture and B.Sc Honours Horticulture, M.Sc Agriculture, M.Sc Horticulture programs and Ph.D. research programs. This is the place where you become an agriculturist and an entrepreneur. A place to discover your passion and the pathway to achieve excellence. To envision the future of agriculture, join SRM College of Agricultural Sciences, accredited by ICAR. For admission, contact 9840 607360.